The world is changing faster than ever. Are you ready to thrive in 2025, or are you still stuck in 2015? Today, I'll show you how to future-proof your income with cutting-edge online earning strategies. Let's get started. Hi, welcome to the 10X Maker, where we explore the best ways to make money online and leverage AI for success. In this video, we're diving into how you can stay ahead of the game in 2025 by adopting future-proof earning strategies. Whether you're a freelancer, an entrepreneur, or just starting out, this is the roadmap you've been looking for. Here's the challenge. Traditional jobs are being disrupted. Automation and AI are replacing many roles, and the gig economy is more competitive than ever. If you're relying on outdated skills or one income stream, you're leaving yourself vulnerable. So, how do you not just survive, but thrive in this rapidly evolving digital landscape? Let's break it down into actionable steps. Embrace AI tools. AI is not your enemy. It's your greatest ally. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Midjourney can help you scale content creation, automate tasks, and enhance productivity. If you're not leveraging these tools, you're already behind. Build multiple income streams. One income stream is no longer enough. Diversify with freelancing, digital products, affiliate marketing, or even AI-driven investments like automated trading bots. Platforms like Gumroad or Substack make it easy to monetize your expertise. Focus on evergreen skills. Skills like copywriting, coding, and digital marketing won't go out of style. Combine these with niche expertise. Think AI consulting or data analysis to stay relevant. Create digital assets. Digital products like ebooks, courses, or templates can generate passive income. Start small and scale. With tools like Canva or Teachable, it's easier than ever to create and sell your own products. Join the creator economy. Content creation is booming. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or a podcast, share your knowledge and build a personal brand. Platforms are paying creators more than ever, and you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and memberships. Here's the game changer. The key to future-proofing your income isn't just following trends. It's positioning yourself as a leader in emerging markets. Think about where the world is headed, not just where it is today. Ask yourself, what can I do better, faster, or smarter with the tools and skills available in 2025? To recap, embrace AI tools to work smarter. Diversify your income streams for security. Invest in evergreen skills that are always in demand. Build digital assets that pay you long-term. Tap into the creator economy to grow your brand. The future is here, and the opportunities are endless. But it's up to you to take action. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the 10X Maker for more tips on making money online and leveraging AI. Don't forget to comment below. What's your top strategy for future-proofing your income? Let's grow together. See you in the next video.